guys, today we're going to be replacing a side marker, clearance marker light on a utility truck, or it could be on your bumper, just marking the side of a vehicle. And the first thing you want to do is push out from the back side of the marker and just keep walling it out until it pops out. And that is your LED. This is the LED here, and we're going to be replacing it with LED. It's a 3/4 inch hole, so you could actually drill 3/4 inch hole and add these wherever you want to, but this is just a replacement model, and this is the replacement that I got for it, and that's what we're going to be installing. Alright, once you got your light out of the hole, I'm going to take the rubber grommet and just push back on it. If you need to use a screwdriver, you can, and just keep sliding it back until you get the light all the way off of the grommet. And you can go ahead and take your wiring on the back side and go ahead and cut it to where you can still get your splice on. This one comes with a new grommet. If you don't have a new grommet, then you need to use the old one. This one has a new one in the kit, so you want to go ahead and put that in place. I would go ahead and put your splices on now, just easier than trying to fight it later when you're underneath of it. Go ahead and push it in, and get you some crimpers for the splice, and just put a lot of pressure on it. You want to make sure you squeeze it really good, and check your connection. Make sure the metal is squeezed tight around the wire. Pull on it, feel secure. And you want to go ahead and do your other wire. And you go ahead and shove your wiring through, and go ahead and push the light all the way through the grommet to where it's sealed good. Just strip your existing wires back about 1/4 inch or so. And just make sure your colors are the same. That's your white and your white. And go ahead and crimp those. After you got everything hooked in, go ahead and test the light. As you can see, it is working. So we got that light working. Now you want to go ahead and tape your connections on the back side. I'm going to go ahead and tie it up just to keep it from out of the weather and keep it from getting damaged. That's it, guys. Make sure the wire is secure, light's still burning, and you're good to go. Please like the video, let me know if it helped you out, and please subscribe. Thank you.